Morning guys! Today we are headed to Lumphini Park for our first day here in Thailand. We are so excited and can't wait to see all the stops along the way. So let's get going!
We've just made it here to a shopping center. It's called Silom Edge.
We came here so we could use the toilet before we go to Lumpini Park. We're scared there's no toilets inside because it is a massive park. We want to be able to explore and not having the urge to need the toilet.
If you also want to get something to eat before you go into the park or snacks before you go in, you can actually stop here. There's a 7-Eleven just downstairs and there's a whole bunch of other food markets around. We've got our snacks and we're on our way to Lumphini Park. We've just made it to Lumphini Park.
It is a massive park. It's 142 acres and it is the first public park here in Bangkok, Thailand. And now it's currently used for jogging, outdoor leisure activities, relaxation and socializing. You could even find them doing like Tai Chi and stuff in the mornings. In Lumphini Park, there's actually around 400 giant monitor lizards that can be spotted in specific areas in the park. We were so lucky enough to come across one who's busy eating a fish. It's so intriguing, but just be warned, stay away. They do attack, but they do generally shy away from humans as long as they don't feel threatened or cornered. So if you just enjoy them from the distance, I'm sure you'll be able to see one too. Chest muscles. Check those muscles burn. I almost did not get out of this park unscathed. I was busy recording the lizard monitor in the water and I almost stood on another one like that was lying next to the water bank and I didn't see it because I was so focused on the water and I almost on his tail and then he just looked back and I was like scricked myself. I was so shocked. I was like, oh my word.
We're now finished walking around the park. This park is really peaceful. So if you guys just want to have a relaxed day, make sure you come visit this park. We're now on our way to Central World, which is apparently a really big mall. And the reason why we're going there is because we want to look for a bag for this camera. Because we're a bit scared that if we keep holding it without a bag, it will just get damaged. So that's why we're going to go to Central World.
So we have just made it to Central World and it is bustling and big and beautiful. So we're gonna go take a peek inside, but we just wandered through the Apple store and there's 2 floors. Oh my gosh, they've got so much stuff in comparison to what we have back home. Can't wait to see what else we'll find.
just finished shopping around, got ourselves a camera bag, and now we're on our way back because we've got a couple of meetings and some work to get done.
We have just made it back to our apartment from a fun-filled day. I'm so ecstatic. It was so much fun. We didn't do much, but it was still fun. So we have now time to wind down, and we're gonna call it a night for this vlog. Bye guys!